In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start jamming in FigJam. If you're new to FigJam, it's an online whiteboarding tool where teams can brainstorm, plan, and collaborate in real time. One of the fun features it offers is background music, which helps set the mood while you and your team are working together. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly turn that music on so you can start jamming during your sessions. First, make sure you have your FigJam board open in your browser or desktop app. Once your board is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons related to collaboration and settings. Among those icons, look for the one that looks like a small music note. This is a music icon, and it controls the background tracks for your FigJam session. Move your cursor over to that music icon and click it. When you do, a small panel or menu will appear. This panel is where you can control the music for your board. Depending on your version, you might see a selection of tracks, a playlist, or just simple playback controls. The key thing you're looking for right now is the play button. Inside that music panel, find the play button, usually represented by a triangle pointing to the right. Go ahead and click the play button. As soon as you do, FigJam will start playing background music on your board. If your volume is turned down or muted on your device, you may want to adjust it so you can hear the track clearly. The music typically plays for everyone who has the music panel active, so it's a great way to set a shared vibe during workshops, retros, or creative brainstorming. If you feel the music is too loud or distracting, you can always pause it by clicking the same button again, which now acts as a pause control. You might also notice options to switch tracks, change the mood, or turn the music off completely. These controls are useful if you want something more upbeat for an energizing session, or something calmer for focused work. That's all you need to start jamming in FigJam. Open your board, click the music icon at the top right, and then hit the play button. Once the music is going, you can focus on your ideas while enjoying